So, this is episode 3 of the Go Mower. I started off by welding the bearing blocks to the frame, and I did it with the axle in so they wouldn't bend and make the axle all wonky, but it was quite hard because they'd keep twisting and the axle wouldn't slide in and out. But eventually I got it right, so that's pretty lucky of me. I thought for sure I'd have to cut them off and redo it. You may see in the corner here the welder I'm using is a Hobart Handler 140 auto feed welder, and I'm using 75% argon gas. It's a 110 welder, and it's pretty powerful for this 1/4 inch to, pretty sure that's 1/8 inch steel on the frame. That's a good weld. Here I'm building the, I guess they're not really a proper term for them, but they're little spindles. The holders for the spindles, because the spindles are higher up than the frame, so I needed to build these so the spindles would be easier to weld on. There, I'm getting the spindle ready to weld on. There's a finished spindle, and these turned out great. They worked way better than I thought, and I'm excited to see if they work. Face reveal. Here I'm installing a tire, and the steering arms were too long, so I had to cut them and tap them. Here they are, almost ready to be assembled. Here's the axle being built, 62 sprocket on the axle in case you're wondering. There's the brake drum. I really like working with those drum brakes, they work nicely. You can't quite see it in this clip, but I built a little holder for the brake drum. Here I'm welding pretty sure I'm welding the holder, or no, I'm welding the engine mount plate on there. The engine is mounted way behind the axle. Hopefully it'll do wheelies. There's that spindle completed again. Now I'm installing pedal mounts. There's the pedal spring holder thingy. There you can see my steering again and the pedal mounts on the left and right. There's one pedal put in place, almost except for the spring. I had to weld an extra little bit of bar onto the pedal stop so the spring would fit. So I used the Go Power Sports pedal kit here, and I did it slightly differently than they told, but it's great. On to the next side. Here I am welding the throttle return.